Northern Coalfields Limited. There are some vacancies in this NCL. This is the reference number, and there are some vacancies, and we'll see what are the vacancies and eligibility criteria. So this is the official site of Northern Coalfields Limited. This is what the employment notification, or this is a direct recruitment for various supervisory and technician posts. So bachelor degrees, that is BTech graduates, can also eligible for this. We will also see how to apply at the end of the video, but before I begin, this is my channel YFSC Study Karo, where I do daily editorials, job updates, interesting facts, and also technical things. Please do subscribe so that you will be benefited. This is the notification, and the post name is Assistant Foreman, that is ENT Trainee Grade C. So the essential qualifications are matriculation, and also have a diploma or relevant higher education qualifications in electronics engineering from institute recognized. So here, as you can see, diploma and also higher education qualification, that is BTech, is those who have done BTech in this stream, electronics stream, they are eligible for this post, Assistant Foreman ENT, and also Assistant Foreman in mechanical, that is trainee. This is also Group C post. The requisite qualification is degree or relevant higher qualification, that is minimum 3 years course in mechanical engineering. So those who have done BTech, they are also eligible. And for technician posts, they should have matriculation certificate, and also there are different technician, that is trainee, ITA 2 years course in fitter trade along with the trade certificate issued by NCVT or SCVT. Minimum 1 year apprenticeship training certificate is required. For technician electrician, that is 3 category. These are the requisite qualification. The same or the qualification, they should have completed their matriculation or 10th, and followed by 2 years course and 1 year apprenticeship training certificate. And for technician turner, the same is the qualification. They should have SSC passed and 2 years course and 1 year apprenticeship. For technician mechanist and also technician welder, the same is the criteria. Matriculate with 2 years course in ITI and also 1 year apprenticeship. So these are the vacancies for different streams. So for Assistant Foreman ENT, that is ENT cadre, the unreserved vacancies are 4, put together 7 vacancies. These are different stream vacancies. This is ENT cadre, that is trainee. For Assistant Foreman Mechanical, that is Grade C trainee. There are 2 classifications of this cadre. One is excavation and the other is electrical and mechanical, that is E&M. So for excavation, for unreserved category, there are 20 vacancies. For EWS 4, for SC category 7, ST 9, and OBC NCL 7. Total 47 vacancies. These are also vacancies for PWF and ESM. For E&M, so those who have done the electrical and mechanical, so the vacancies are this many, 12 for unreserved and put together 25, and also some of the vacancies for PWD. So these are different vacancies for the technician post, technician fitter trainee category 3, technician electrician trainee, technician turner. These are all the vacancies. So most probably there are huge vacancies for trainee and electrical and mechanical trainee E&M. So they are the vacancies for different specifications or the position names, and also the details of the position enmarked or for PWD. So this is the classification of the PWD category. So we are coming to the important aspect, that is higher education qualification. So for Assistant Foreman ENT, that is trainee, the essential required diploma in engineering, and higher qualification and branches pertain to is engineering degree in electronics and electronics or communication and electronics and telecommunication. So this is what not eligible branches. So those who have done in instrumentation, so they are not eligible for this post. So this is what not eligible. This the instrumentation group is not eligible. So electrical, instrumentation are also not eligible for this assistant foreman. So these are not eligible branches. So for assistant foreman mechanical, for grade C, so diploma in mechanical engineering and the engineering degree in mechanical engineering is required, the higher education qualifications for assistant foreman mechanical. So the production, industrial, automation, manufacturing, and these are also not eligible branches. So this is regarding the eligibility criteria for these posts. And for assistant foreman E&T trainee, so minimum this is a pay scale, so 31,852 per month within the training period for E&T. So for assistant foreman mechanical, the minimum that is 31,852. This is for 2 years. Training period will be for 2 years for E&M and excavation. This is the pay scale for different categories, and for technicians the pay scale is 1065 per day. So that is around 30,000. This is based on per day basis. The training will be 1 year. So these are different pay scales for different streams, and we will also see here what are the age limit for all the posts. So this is what the age limit for minimum age to apply is 18 years, and the age limit is 30 years for general category. So for different categories there is some relaxation. So 5 years for SC/ST, 3 years for OBC, and PWD 3 years, and also some of the relaxations for different age criteria. So regarding the fee structure, for unreserved candidate they need to pay fees, that is 500 rupees. For other categories, SC/ST, PWD, there is no fee for them. So the selection procedure is based on a written test. As you can see here, eligible candidates meeting the minimum eligibility criteria as on the crucial date, so will require to appear for written test. The selection will be based on candidates relative score in the written test. So candidate will be allowed to appear written test immediately on the basis of the declaration regarding the eligibility as mentioned in the online application form. So scrutiny or verification of the claims of the candidate for the eligibility for the post applied will be done post declaration of results. So again, the selection is purely based on the written test. The written test conducted separately for different positions as mentioned. So the test will be for 100 marks. Test will be for 100 marks for 90 minutes duration, comprising of two parts, that is part A for 70 marks and part B for 30 marks. So consisting of general section, technical section. So this is regarding the examination scheme. It consists of two papers, part A and part B. Part A will be technical and part B will be the general section. This is what regarding the examination. So the important thing here is that there will be no negative marking in examination for any wrong answer. The question booklet will be in Hindi and English. It is bilingual. The instructions will also be given in bilingual. So there are some vacancies regarding the choice of center. The written test will be conducted at different centers, that is in Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh districts. So there will be 4 options given in the written test, out of which you need to choose one answer. There will not be any criteria, that is negative criteria, no negative marking. So this is what the minimum qualifying mark. 50 marks is a minimum qualifying mark, and for SC/ST that is 40 marks to be selected. This is just minimum qualifying mark, not the cutoff mark. So beyond this there may be also on the merit base they will allot the qualifying mark. So this is regarding how to apply. We will see at the end of this video the important dates here. So online registration date already started. We will see here how to apply. So the closing date is 25/8/2020. So tentative dates of examination and also admit card download will be available in the website. So if you have any queries, you can contact this from 9 AM to 5 PM from Monday to Friday. This is the phone number, and this is also the email ID given. We'll just see how to apply. If this is the official site, I'll give the link in the description so that you can just click that link and you'll be directed to this page directly. You just click here to apply online. You will get 3 detailed employment notification and also in Hindi. Apply online. You just apply here. You'll be directed to this page. Just click on proceed, and you need to fill this name, middle name, last name, Aadhaar number, email ID, mobile number, post for applying, password, and after filling up this preliminary registration you will get the credentials to your email ID, and after that you need to log in. You need to fill the application form. So please do share this with your friends so that they may be eligible. And if you like this video, if you have any doubts, please do comment, and do not forget to subscribe so that you will not miss any further updates. And also you can also join me in Insta, the same name, YFSC Study Karo, and also Facebook, YFSC Study Karo. Please do share this with your friends. Thank you.